Touch 7 records. 1 reading. When you were work, you were not able to count. UK. We did adults around you by using language, but by that time you were favored seats. You were able to produce sentences, make jokes, ask questions and songs, and for you have been kind and fluent native speaker. Hearing those first words and words like you accumulated away brains knows about at least one language. Probably very little counts efforts. If you study a foreign language later on, it's likely that you discover that it was not nearly as easy. Number 2. Minimal pairs. Sieve, sieve. This. Wet, wait. Bad, bad. Soap, soap. No, no. Bad, bad. Fast, fierce. This, this. Very, very. Bye, bye. Thin, thin. Alive, alive. Cat, cat. Sick, sheep. Fan, ban. Fat, half. Freak, tree. Thin, thin. Wheat, with. Pace, pace. Bat, bites. Fast, has. Cane, gain. To, do. Bat, bat. Am, have, have. Number 3. Intonation. A statement with one stresses. I know. We laugh. It stop. A statement with 2 stresses. Unknown words. Time flies. Lena is my daughter. A statement with 3 stresses. Peter doesn't lie here. Lena wasn't invited. Bats are not birds. A statement with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He brought the nearest very quickly. The teacher told her study. A statement with 5 stresses. Maria wants to buy a new car. My friend plays tennis every Thursday. I think the first question is very easy. A special question, following intonation. What's his name? What is his name? What does he like? When did you call him? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. Where have you been? Where are you reading? When is your birthday? General question, rising intonation. Do you visit them often? Have you seen my case? Are you ready to start? Respect rising intonation. Could you give me a pen, please? Could you open the window, please? Could you mean helping me? Alternative question writing and following intonation. Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English or German? Would you like coffee or tea? Third question, falling or rising intonation. It's a beautiful tone, is it? Cheer, snow him doesn't cheer. Nice word is here. Common falling intonation. Start. Sit down. Close your book. Tell me the truth. Graceful rising intonation. Intonation. Come in, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Exclamatory sentence falling intonation. What? What a wonderful person. How beautiful her voice is. That's a lie. Direct address rising intonation. Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith is married down. Ella, can you help me? Enumeration rising intonation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples. I saw Tom, Mary, Anna, and Victor. Responses. Certainly, of course, you are welcome. Thank you very much.